Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out buying gold, silver, jewelry, silverware, these types of things that are treasures, really, at thrift shops and garage sales. What I'm doing today is the final sorting video. If you're still with me, I commend you. You must very much like silver. I just have ended up in a situation where my piles of stuff got out of control. When I make these videos, I just come on down to my workshop, make the video, and usually the children are doing something that requires me to potentially pause the video partway through or run off and deal with as soon as I finish up the video. So things have been just getting kind of worse and worse. And if you've been watching the series, I've just been going through and just trying to sort all this stuff out again. And we're nearly there. So this is still the pile we need to do, I think, including this. And we will just get to it. So we have over here our baby stuff. This is all serving pieces up here. We'll get those. I don't know if you can see. They're all serving stuff. I think this is one we're going to do a video on. See if we can do some research there. This is all just like spoons that don't match anything. We've got two of these very pretty spoons, which is interesting. I thought we might find some more in here. So let's go ahead and attack this pile. So here we have a baby spoon. Who's this baby spoon for? DJW. And who made that one? Lunt Sterling. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, the other thing that's happened is I have found a few pieces of not sterling or not solid silver in my piles here. So some of these pieces are getting kicked out. So we're using this as a point to also make sure that we only have silver in our boxes. And we're trying to match up patterns like this one, I think. This looks like it's Clinton's baby spoon, and that is Candlelight by, I think that's pronounced Towle, is the maker of that. I don't believe I have any other Candlelight by Towle. And let's see, what do we got here? We have sterling spoon. Okay. That just goes into our pile of random sterling spoons over here. Here we're looking at something. Oh, yeah, that's very pretty. I think this is going to go into our Scandinavian drawer. Oh, man. I don't think I've even looked at... I didn't realize there was a dragon on this one, eating its own tail. That's cool. What do we got for the markings on that one? 830. Okay, yeah. So 830S is 83% silver. And that definitely goes into our Scandinavian drawer, which... didn't I just have a piece to go there? We'll set that aside right over here for now. Yeah, this is also a piece of Scandinavian silver, I'm pretty sure. What do we got? Nothing. Ah, there we are, 830. And this is Anna from August 29th of probably 1914. Guessing 1914. That's pretty cool. We'll put that in baby spoons or Scandinavian. Yeah, that'll go in our Scandinavian because that's what it is. This one's kind of interesting. I find it interesting that they maybe did like a little gold plate or something in there. And this one is Gorham Spanish Tracery. I feel like I had more than one piece of this, but yes, we have two spoons. Okay, here's another pretty one. I think this is Layla's baby spoon. Yeah, look at that. All right. Put that over here. It seems a little big for a baby spoon. Maybe it's something else. Let's see, what do we have here? I feel like we had, nope. Oh, somebody's been in the trash disposal. Oh, this one is Danish, I think. I think that's Danish. I think that's Denmark. I forget exactly, but the 3 towers there with the date actually will tell us when it was made. We'll set that one aside. We'll put that into our Scandinavian. We'll do a Scandinavian video at some point here. Oh, that's nice. Is that Gorham? Yep. You've got your little lion, anchor, and your G. I feel like I have another piece of this around somewhere. Where would that be? Ah! Does that match it? Yeah. We'll put those 2 together. That's nice. Oh, is this another one? That's interesting. I don't know what's going on there. Huh. Are we looking at the same pattern here? Let's check. I think we are not. Very similar, but not the same. All right, over here you go. It is funny how many of these patterns are very similar to each other, but aren't the same. Another baby spoon. I find a lot of these in stainless, but occasionally sterling. One little tip, wedding bells is the pattern for this one. One little tip too is if you see like a bunch of silver plate, I find the baby spoons often, even if they are sterling, end up in the silver plate. So what will happen a lot is that people will have like the baby spoon that'll get thrown in with their silver plate set. So always double check the boxes because the box might be all plate except for one single piece. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, what are these? Let's just double check what these are. Sterling, okay. Not sure who that is. To look around and see if we have a pattern for this one, but I think with these individual butter knives, I have a place to put them. So we will go ahead and put these in that place, which is this little tray here. Let's see, a little baby spoon or a baby knife from another video. Yeah, that'll fit in there. Oh, our other little baby knife. That can go in there nicely. You know, while we're doing this, I wonder, will our master butter knives, maybe? Maybe we can make this work. More or less. I feel like that's a pretty good solution there. Put that back in our drawer. All right, a few more pieces. This looks like a baby spoon. Let's make sure it is sterling. It is. It's Gorham, and Lyric is the pattern. This is Joan? Looks like Jones spoon. And this one is International Sterling. Doesn't say what pattern it is. I haven't seen that one around in anything, so we're just going to go ahead and put that with the other baby stuff. I think we have a little demitasse or maybe baby spoon here. And this one is also International Sterling. Angelique is the pattern. I'm going to just put that with my baby stuff over here. This is I featured this in other videos. This is a absolutely awesome baby spoon. You've got your stork sitting on the chimney. You've got the clock here. And if we zoom in, Let's see. Oh, we've got Scandinavian silver, don't we? But you see engraved in the clock, 22nd of July, 1938. I'm not sure what the DAG stands for, but 49 centimeters long, one of the weights of the clock there, and then the other thing is 12 mech. I'm not sure exactly what that means in terms of weight. And if we look at the back, we have 830S, and then we also have Sigurd, I think it's Sigurd, Christian, 41138. I know I'm not sure what the 41138 means, because I feel like I see a 722. Maybe that date on the back is when this was given to the family, but I just think that's so super cool that all these things were, all the vital data was, actually maybe that's what that means. Just realized. Yeah, I don't know. These kinds of spoons are probably my favorite of all of the sterling and all of the silver. We'll throw that into our Scandinavian stuff, and then we get two more, and then we'll just put everything away. We'll wrap up this series. What do we got here? We have, looks like a knight helmet in sterling. There's one hefty spoon. It's a nice one. All right, that will go here. And then the last one is a Michigan. What is it? Mackinac Island, Michigan. Just make sure this guy is, yep, sterling. All right, so we have future video. We'll put this down below with the rest of our Scandinavian stuff. Oh boy, these are basically just spoons, so those are all just going to get stacked up and put together in this box over here. Probably with these, make sure these ones put together. These are all serving pieces. All right, and then baby stuff, and I think we're good. If you enjoyed this video, that's just me cleaning stuff up video, let me know. I don't know if people, if you're watching this one, clearly you enjoyed at least one of the prior ones, because I told everyone in the first video, you know, if you want more, just let me know and I'll do more. But yeah, hopefully some of this information is useful to you. I am inclined to think that it might be, for the simple reason that the more you can actually see and sort of get hands-on with these things, the better off you are when you're out and about looking for it. When you see the real stuff gets easier and easier to spot. It's sort of like how Secret Service people train for spotting counterfeit money. You know, you know the real thing so well that when you see something that's not real, you're just like, there's something wrong here, and then you can suss out what's wrong. So hopefully this is useful to you. If you did enjoy this, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't yet, I hope I earned your subscription. Have a great day, and go out and see if you can't find yourself some treasure.